Welcome everybody. I thought I'd just show you a little routine like we do in our stretch, tone and relax class. So if you're looking for some gentle exercise, this is a great start. Lift the shoulders and roll them back and down. Lift and roll. One arm, inhale, lift, and exhale, lower. Other arm, inhale, lift, and exhale, lower. Both together, inhale, lift, and exhale, float the arms back down. You've got one arm and the other, and then both together. And bring the hands up, palms facing up to the shoulders, reach the arms out in front, and release the arms down. Hands to the shoulders, reach the arms out, and release back down. Then one arm, hand to the shoulder, and this time cross over the body, and release back down. Other arm, lift, cross over the body, and release. Lift, reach over the body, and release. And lift, reach, and release. Holding onto the wall if you need to, otherwise hands to the waist, weight into the right foot, left foot out in front onto the floor, or lifted to the side and behind, to the side, in front, and release. Front, side, behind, side, front, and release. So we're working on our balance to strengthen the muscles of the legs to help reduce our risk of falls, toning the leg muscles. Lift to the side, behind, to the side, and release. And this one can be done with light weights. Light weights if you want to, or no weights at all. So bending the elbows, lift the arms to the side, release. And then one arm forward, so with the arm straight, the other arm bent. And then the other arm bent, arm forward. So elbows bent, arms to the side. One arm forward, the other arm bent, and release. One arm bent, the other arm straight, and release. So this helps to strengthen the muscles of the arms. You could do it with tins of beans. You could do it with bottles of water. And last one. And release. So the beginning of the class, we start with more of the flow and movements. Then we work with more of the strengthening, and then we finish with stretching. Inhale, reach the arms up, interlace the fingers, reach the arms away, bend one elbow and the other elbow. And release, interlace your hands behind you, reach the arms away and release. And then legs wide, hands to the waist, draw the stomach in, leaning forward until you feel a stretch through the backs of the legs and rising back up. So if you like the look of this, this is a stretch, tone and relax class, which is at Fair Hall on Keynsham High Street. We'd love for you to come along. Come and try a class and decide if the class is for you. And then if you want to commit to the term, you're very welcome, and you can pay that monthly if you wish. So this is Sandhya. I hope you enjoyed this. Any questions, do let me know. Thank you. Bye-bye.